Cheryl and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all focused on how to manifest anything that you want in life through the act of visualization. Now if you do like this video, then hit the thumbs up and click subscribe if you're not already subscribed to me. So let's get into the video. Now, visualization is the act of creating images in your mind. When you're constantly thinking about something that you want to happen in your life, your brain cannot see any difference between your visualization and what's in your current reality. So if you visualize your goals as if that you've already accomplished them, your mind will see that conflict and it will start to resolve it so that your visualizations will end up becoming reality. So you'll start seeing opportunities come your way. You'll have these ideas that just spring into your mind that you don't know where they've come from. And it really does work. And throughout the, I think it's 8 years that I've been doing visualizing and law of attraction, I've attracted so much in my life that I visualized. And to begin with, I was just like, I could not believe that it actually happened, because you know, you don't think that something like that would happen because it has got some sort of like woo to it. But it really does work. The first thing that you could do is create a dream board / visualization board. I did make a video about this in, I think it was January, because I do one every single year. So I'll link that in the description so you can go give that a watch. Visualization boards are just, if you print off some pictures, the goals that you want to achieve, and just stick them all onto this board. This is a really good way to introduce you to visualizations, because if you stick the board somewhere that you just see every day, I've got mine right next to my bed, so the first thing that I see when I wake up is that visualization board, and it's got all my goals and all the things that I want to achieve. It's got all of those on there, well, for this year anyway, because I do one every year. So that's a good way of starting, and you just spend some time each day just to visualize the actual things that you want. I choose morning, and sometimes I do it at night time, because at night time you're relaxed and you can just think about all the things that you want just before you go to sleep. Now it's not just thinking about something and you just think, oh yep, I want this, and boom, it arrives. It's not like that. You have to put energy and your emotions and your feelings into the thoughts. So think of a time that you was really happy and you felt just so excited and joyful. Everybody knows what excitement and happiness feels like. So think of a time where you was really excited and you just couldn't wait for something, and apply that into your visualization. Really go into detail of something that you want. So if you want a new house, don't just think, oh, I want this little square house and that's it. Really go into detail. What exactly does it look like? Think about waking up in the morning, walking down the stairs and going into how many rooms you want, going into the kitchen. So imagine what the kitchen would look like. Has it got an island? Has it got a utility room? How many bedrooms has it got? Really go into detail with that visualization, because the more detail you go into, and if you keep thinking about it every single day, then that will be the reality, because you would have created the exact goal that you want. And that is the key to visualizing. You really have to put your emotions and your feelings into the thought, because that, my friends, is what works. Now some people say put like 6 months, like you can do this in 6 months, do this in a year. Forget about time limits. Time is really not important. So all you have to do is just think of the goal that you want and just keep thinking about it, and it'll come. It will come. Trust the process and it will definitely come. And when you think about doing these visualizations and dream board, or however you want to do it, just think of goals for your next level self. So the next level in your life, because you could concentrate on things that are going to happen in 10 years time. You could concentrate on that big, massive, big goal that you want. And of course you could do that. But to start with, you should just start off something that's your next level. So just something that's out of your comfort zone, that's going to make you progress to that massive big goal. But of course, if you want to do the big goal, then totally, that's completely do it. I visualize my next level self, and that is why I do a vision board every single year. Every year I put down what I want to achieve within that year, because then that's just creating my next level of goals, my next level of success. And that's what you should do, because if you keep seeing all these mini little goals that you want to accomplish, it feels absolutely amazing when you actually do accomplish them, rather than thinking, oh, I want to be a millionaire. rather than that, just build up little baby goals to get to that massive big goal. If you set one every year like me, you don't have to be stuck on that goal, because goals can change throughout the year. So say if you want a car, but then later on in the year you want a different car, it doesn't really matter on stuff like that, because you can change what you want throughout the year, just as long as you know exactly what you want at that present time. And then just visualize it and go for it. Now if you're new to visualizations, something that you can do is do guided meditations. So you can just type in YouTube guided meditations, and it will come up with all these meditations, and somebody will guide you through it. I've done it couple of years ago, but now I'll just do it myself. But if you think you're going to struggle with just being able to just relax for 5 or 10 minutes and just really visualize about what you want, then these guided meditations can actually really help you. You can listen to ones about abundance, or about money, or creating the dream life that you want. They're a really good way for you to start the process of visualizations. And then once you become a pro, then you can just start doing it on your own. What's important is you need to get into that visualization mode. You need to just be in the present moment and not drift off to other things. So don't be thinking, oh yeah, I want this and I want that, but then you start thinking, oh, did I pay for that bill today? What can I do for dinner tomorrow? Don't start drifting off to other things when you're visualizing. So really get into that manifestation mode of just relaxing, taking some deep breaths, connect with your body, and just really focus on these visualizations. And it's just for 5-10 minutes every single day, and it will really transform your mind, and it'll start making it into a reality. Now if you don't want materialistic things, then you could just do visualizations about the person that you want to become. And I actually did this because I used to be such a shy person. I wouldn't say boo to a goose. I was really in myself, and I just would not talk to anybody. I used to go bright red when the teachers used to speak to me at school, or when I started my first job and I had to start phoning people, I went so bright red. It was just horrible, and I didn't want to be that person anymore. So what I used to do, I just used to visualize being this confident person, talking in front of people and just not being afraid, and it worked. And now I'm not shy whatsoever. I talk to everybody. I'm just really a really confident person, and it's been amazing. So you can work on yourself and visualize the person that you want to be. It doesn't always have to be materialistic. It could just be about you. I think that's everything that I wanted to cover today. There are some tips of what you could do to manifest anything in your life. So, and if you're just sitting there and thinking, oh, it's not going to work, but you've got nothing to lose, so just give it a go and try it out. So set some goals, print off some images, create a vision board, stick it somewhere that you will just see every single day. Make it a part of your daily routine, whether it's in the morning or in the evening. Just allow yourself 5 or 10 minutes just to spend on those visualizations. Get into manifestation mode. Don't drift away, be in the present moment. Listen to guided meditation if you want whilst doing the visualizations, and create the life that you want. Thoughts become things, and don't forget that. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up.
I can't do that. You're not listening to the music app.
Siri just answered. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up and click subscribe if you're not already subscribed to me. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very soon in another video.